Hey, what's going on, you guys? So I wanted to drop this real quick video, and what we're going to do is I am going to explain to you real simple the power of the chat bot in 60 seconds, because I think some of you may not understand, or maybe you just might be missing the concept of the bot. And so I'm going to try to wrap this in 60 seconds. So I want you to imagine somebody reaches out to you in regards to your business or your branding or your attraction marketing or your lifestyle or whatever it is. Maybe you created a post or whatever the case may be, and somebody reaches out to you and they say, hey Joe, hey Amanda, hey Mary, hey Brian, whatever your name is, hey you, what is it that you do to make money online? Or they may say, hey, can you share with me a little bit about your business? Or whatever the case may be. Now you have to figure out, what do I send this person? What's the best video? What's the best teaser video? What's the best compensation plan video? Where are the testimonial videos? Hey, I want to show them the live trades. How do I do that? Hey, I want to invite them to a webinar. What's the schedule? You see, you have to do all of that on your own unless you have the bot. Once you have the bot does all of that. In fact, the bot is going to serve up information to your prospect whenever they ask for it. It's going to offer them to look at the live trades. It's going to offer them to watch a testimonial video. It's going to offer them to take a closer look at the rewards plan. It's going to explain to them the technology, the product, the transparency. It's going to allow them to come and take a look at the live trades. It's going to do all of that for you. That's powerful. So when somebody reaches out to you and he says, hey Mary, hey Amanda, hey Joe, hey Brian, what is it that you do? Can you tell me more about your business? You send them the bot link. It's your own personal assistant. Now, if that was powerful, this is what we call mega powerful. Now, to take it one step further, every time your prospect goes in that bot and interacts and asks for some information or requests to watch a video or goes to check out the live trades or clicks the sign up button to see what that process is like, you get a notification. So your bot is going to notify you every time one of your prospects takes action and looks for more information. Now, you add the enhancement that we're rolling out this week. It makes your job even easier, because now the follow-up that is normally your responsibility, right? The fortune is in the follow-up. Now the follow-up, which is normally your responsibility, is being done by the bot. We have created 21 videos, a series of videos that go out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and yes, even on Sunday for your prospect in your local time zone. And so the bot is going to send them this little 60-second amazing video about a feature of the company, whether it's the live trades or inviting them to a webinar, talking about the Bitcoin giveaways, inviting them to watch a testimonial video. Every single day they're going to get a new video with a little content that's going to drive them to go or invite them really to take a look at the company. And so the follow-up is even now going to be done by the bot. This is the power of what we have, you guys. So, and to make it even easier, I don't know when you're watching this video, but if you're watching it within the next 48 hours from the time I drop it in this group, you're going to have the ability to get the bot at even a greater discount, like $12 or $13 a month if you purchase it for the year using crypto. If you don't want it for the year and you just want to test it out, it's $20 a month, you guys. And if you do the monthly, you can use a debit card or credit card. There is no company out there using this technology. There is no network marketing company out there that gives their members this type of engagement tool, marketing tool, explainer tool for you guys to use and go out and build your CashFX business. This bot is next level. So I hope that wraps it up for you. It's very simple, it's very powerful, and it is super easy to use.